Hey y'all, welcome to my sewing maintenance video where I will be showing you how I take care of my sewing. During my maintenance day, I like to focus on clarifying and hydrating my hair, also stripping any type of dirt and grime away from the extensions, and most importantly, scalp detoxification. I like to start off by detangling my hair dry, and instead of using a brush, I like to use a medium tooth comb, I guess you would call it. I feel like that helps what I like to call the pre-shedding, because you don't want that buildup of shedding and then it's all in your shower and now you have a big mess. So that is why I use a comb to make sure that hair that's not connected to the weft is completely out of the way before we start pre-pooing. So after I finish dry detangling my hair, I go in with the Design Essentials Scalp and Skincare Detoxifying Tonic. It has eucalyptus and lemon with witch hazel and peppermint oil. This is like heaven to my scalp. It is very soothing, it's cold, and I just feel like it gives my scalp that metallic feeling that it needs. After I'm done working that into my scalp, I then follow up with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight, which is a water to foam shampoo. I use this as a pre-poo. Love this down. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors. It is just straight to the point, and it has aloe vera, which is also good for soothing the scalp. It does cleanse the hair without leaving the hair feeling too stripped, like too dry. After both products have been sitting in my hair, I like to go back in with that same comb and start detangling again. As you probably have noticed by now, child, you can see my braids from my foundation. I purposely go in and cut the weft off of the perimeter of my hair because, again, that is the most sensitive part of my scalp. So I like to focus on those parts. Now that I'm ready to start my shampooing process, I fully drench my hair with water, but still just focusing on my scalp and massaging both of those products in. I do classify the Carol's Daughter Pre-Poo as a clarifying shampoo, since once it is activated by water, it does soap up like an actual shampoo. When you are trying to wash and cleanse your hair, you do want to go in with the clarifying shampoo and then follow up with the hydrating shampoo, which I am doing next. For my hydrating shampoo, I am going in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. It also has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, which I absolutely love, a clean product. This smells so good. This hydrates my hair to the max. This is one of the newer products that I have added to my hair care, and honestly, I haven't found anything that has topped it yet. A good hydrating shampoo should give your hair slippage. It should feel like you are taking deep conditioning your hair. You should be able to detangle your hair with a hydrating shampoo. I have only used this product while I've had extensions in my hair. I haven't just used it fully on my natural hair, and I'm looking forward to doing that because I've heard really great things about this product. I've also seen things on the internet just showing people with natural hair like myself and how it has revived their curls. So be on the lookout for that video because I definitely want to do a review on that. I am on a natural healthy hair journey. My main focus nowadays has been scalp care because I've realized that my scalp has changed over the years. I'm not sure what it's pertaining to. I have been working hard to figure out how I can change the health of my scalp. Hence why I haven't been that consistent on YouTube, but we'll talk about that later. And I want to also point out that I have detangled my hair with that same comb about 3 times so far, and this won't be the last time. The key to a sew-in maintenance is always making sure your extensions have slip and is detangled. That is the key to get the hair clean. That is the key to get the hair to act the way that you want it to act when it comes time to styling the hair. I did not show you guys me just blow drying my hair, but I do use a blow dryer just to get my actual extensions straight, and then I proceed to sit under a dryer to get my hair completely dry. I typically stay under the dryer for about an hour or an hour and a half. I go in and I attach that weft back to my anchor braid. Another tip is do not use cotton thread. In this video, I am using cotton thread because I just bought the wrong thread, and before I let something go to waste, I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So please try to use nylon thread because it gives less tension and it also doesn't snag on the hair. It doesn't pull the hair. Cotton is more rough, so it's more rough on your natural hair. Now we're getting into styling, so I just go ahead and place my hot comb on medium heat. We don't want the heat damage. Please let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to do like a hot comb tutorial. I have been seeing that the hot comb is some of y'all worst nightmare. I do feel like I have conquered the hot comb to the greatest extent, so let me know in the comments if you want a video on how to do that. I will gladly deliver that to y'all. Products used will be linked in the description box, so make sure you're always checking the description box inside of my videos. One thing I can say is once you conquer the hot comb, one pass is all you should need. Making sure your hair is fully blow dried, as I stated, and then conquering that hot comb, you should only need one pass. As you can tell here, I am just taking my 1 inch. Don't get me lying. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't know the inches of anything, okay? I'm taking my Babyliss flat iron and I'm going in with one pass. That's it. And this is the finishing product of my leave out. Hence, my hair has not been styled yet. It has only been blow dried, but I would like to classify this as flat and seamless, and it looks very healthy. I know some people like to style their hair before they do their leave out. Let me know in the comments, what is your process or what is your steps, or what products do you feel like help your leave out to be seamless and flat? Alright y'all, so this will conclude my sew-in maintenance day. I do have my styling video already up, so go ahead and tune into the styling video. Thanks for joining, and I see you guys in the next video.